Hey everybody, it's Matt with the Fillback Family of Dealerships with your Tech Tip of the Week. This week we're going to talk about a really cool app that is one of my personal favorites. It's the Ford Pass app. We'll take a closer look here. So this is an app that you can download on your smartphone or smart tablet. It allows you to have remote access to plenty of features on the vehicle, locking, unlocking, and remote start. Just a quick, easy tap of the screen there. You'll get a notification that it's working to unlock the vehicle, and then it will unlock the vehicle here shortly. So there the locks just clicked, and now it says unlocked. So you're going to have the access to those features, which is really nice, especially if you're wanting to lock the vehicle or unlock the vehicle, but you're out of distance from the fob, as well as remote start. You'll see here you've also got fuel level. Very nice feature if you're planning a trip and not sure if you've got to stop at the fuel station ahead of time. You can pull that up and say, okay, I've got 125 miles to empty. I've got plenty to get there, or I need to stop. You also have the option to add more vehicles to the listing, which is really nice to have multiple vehicles there. As well as they've got a service spot here. So we'll click that. It's going to go ahead and give you a health report. Here you'll be able to see your tire pressure, percentage of oil life remaining, current miles on the vehicle, estimated oil change date. There you'll see preferred dealer. We've got Fillback, of course. So there you can actually go on and schedule a service right through the app. That way you're not looking to get a hold of the service department, maybe the hours of 8 to 5, maybe with your work schedule, you're just unable to get in there, or whatever it may be there. So you can schedule that on your convenience. So this is a really nice app. It is available on a lot of 2018 to 2020 Ford products and became standard on 2021 and newer. This is a free app as well. There's a lot of great features to it. If you have any other questions on this or want help setting this up on your Ford vehicle, feel free to stop by any of our 3 Ford stores and we'll help you out with that. Thanks for watching.